Hi, my name is Kseniia and I want to show you what is Ukrainian contemporary art about. We just came to America House in Kyiv, a unique place for information, culture and education. And here we can find the Ukrainian artist exhibition Chic-Modern. How is one bottle of water different from another? How can a pair of jeans cost more than a monthly income of an average Ukrainian? What makes different products so unique and distinctive? The existence of brands contribute answers to these questions. Brands have become a part of contemporary life and culture, so Ukrainian modern artists explore this theme.
The Chic-Modern exhibit by young Ukrainian artist Pazza Pennello depicts scarce goods that appeared in Ukraine after the fall of Iron Curtain. And these goods were scarce, rare, exclusive, and everyone wanted to buy them. The show also is completed by the portraits of famous American TV series Santa Barbara, for example, and all this exhibit shows us how brands influence our culture and society and minds.
I think this picture is so bright and colorful, so different, and I like.
I like this picture the most. It depicts those things that were deficient in the Soviet Union. Life changes and art changes too. Stop by and explore Ukrainian contemporary artists with us.